Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. I've been looking about in my freezer because I wanted to give it a bit of a clear, check things that were out of date, because I wanted to make room for my Christmas shopping, because from now on I'm going to be buying some extra bits each week, so I've got a bit of a Christmas and New Year stash. Excuse me, I'm full of cold. And amongst the freezer, right at the back, under all kinds of stuff, was some steak, but it was dated March, and I was like, oh. And with meat being so expensive, I thought to myself, I can't throw that out because it's just expensive to buy, and it would be criminal. Would you have thrown it out? Would you thought, oh, the date's too far gone, I'd chuck it? So I just thought, well, because it's steak, it was, I'll make a stew. And I thought, because it'll probably be tough because it's sat in the freezer so long. And I thought, well, if it makes some stew, it'll be soft and tender and maybe not as bad. So I had a look in the fridge, and I had potatoes, a small onion, a leek and a courgette. Some carrots was as well would have been nice, but no. So to add flavour, I added some salt, pepper and a raft of garlic. If anyone knows me, I like to throw these garlic granules and everything. I do prefer fresh garlic, but it's a bit of a fat peel in it, and because my hands are wrecked, I've got arthritis in my hands, it takes me forever to peel garlic. And knowing you're just like, no, I'm not in the mood for that. So I do buy fresh garlic, but generally it sits there for ages because I've got to be in the right frame of mind to do it. So my fallback position 9 times out of 10 is to use garlic granules. So I think when you're making a bit of stew, you could always throw a bit of curry powder in to rush it up. A bit of chilli powder, chilli leaves, a bit of paprika. The steak's lovely with paprika. I like the smoked paprika. I get most of my spices either from Aldi or Home Bargains because I think it's better priced than major supermarkets like Asda. I think they charge too much for spices. So yeah, so salt, pepper, garlic, small onion, full leek, full courgette, and a handful of potatoes. It made a lovely stew. And I was thinking to myself, oh, some crusty bread would be lovely with that. But I thought, I'm not going back out again. So there you go. There's my version of leftover stew. So do you do the same? Are you clearing your fridge and freezer out at the moment so you can start putting some Christmas preps in there? Or are you just generally cleaning out your fridge, freezer? Is it the time of the year? I must admit, I don't do it that often, maybe 3-4 times a year. I have a good grub about. But so I don't know how that steak managed to survive for so long in the freezer. I must have just kept putting it off. I go, I'll use that. And it never happened. So this is cold at the moment, but I will heat it through later on and have it for tea. So bye for now. Hope you're well. Wrap up warm. It's getting cold now. Heat the person, not the house. And look after yourself. And if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe?